Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can rotate slowly in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. If you press R to rotate, if you want to rotate very slowly, you have to hold Shift. And now you can rotate very slowly. So hold Shift, and now as you can see, now it's very fast. Now if you hold Shift, it's pretty slow. So that's very important. If you want to rotate slowly, just hold a Shift. So I hope this short tutorial saved the time and helped you. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.